Welcome to the Doba tutorial. Today we will tell you how to check the shipping methods and calculate shipping fees on the product details page. First, log into Doba. Find a product and click the name or picture to enter the product details page. Scroll down to the shipping section. You will find the packing size and packing weight of this product, as well as the warehouse location, or from which country or region the product will be shipped out. Most of the products on Doba have inventory in US warehouses. A small amount of them might be shipped from mainland China or Hong Kong, and few of them might be shipped out from other countries or regions. If you do want your product to be shipped out from a specific country or region, you may use the Ship From filter to find them on the product search result page. Each shipping method displays the name, ship to country/region, shipping cost, and estimated delivery time. Different couriers can ship the products to different countries or regions. Most products on Doba could be only shipped to a US address. A small amount of them could be shipped to France, Germany, Canada, and other countries. Shipping method shows the name of the courier, like DHL, UPS, or FedEx. If you do want your product to be shipped to a specific country or region, like we just learned, you may use the Ship to filter to find them on the product search result page. Please note some products may not be shipped to certain states, even if they are all in the US. Such as this one, it couldn't be shipped to Alaska or Hawaii. Here you can see shipping cost. There are 4 types. 1. Free. You need not pay for the shipping. 2. Flat rate. No matter how many pieces you buy, the shipping cost is the same. 3. Weight-based. Such as this one, within 1 pound, the shipping rate is $4.38 US. For every additional pound, the shipping rate is $1.57 US. 4. Quantity-based. Such as this one, for 1 piece, the shipping fee is $2.99 US. For every additional piece, the shipping fee is an additional 30 cents. Finally, you will see the estimated delivery time. If the delivery time is a priority, then you should choose the right shipping method first. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.